Hi, good afternoon. Eric Alinger, Pioneer Field Agronomist, coming to you with a little information about crop protection items, specifically here for wheat. So one of the questions we're getting from growers here in the last week or so is how late can I apply my Harmony? So here at Feeks 5, or getting close to Feeks 5, guys are getting busy applying Harmony to wheat, and just want you to know that Feeks 8, or when the flag leaf becomes visible, would be about as late as we'd like for you to apply Harmony. So Feeks 8, flag leaf visible, would be sort of the end of Harmony application. Another thing we wanted to talk to you a little bit about was on a service call last week, a grower had commented that his wheat was not, spots in the field weren't growing off as he had hoped. So they were kind of lagging behind a little bit, and wheat was stunted and not growing quite as well. So as we examine some of his inputs from last year and some of the practices in the field, we did uncover that he made an application, actually a fomeficin, in a premix around mid-June. And so as you look at that and you consider rotational restrictions to the following crop, you would note that fomeficin is 4.5 months to wheat. So having considered that, we looked around, and I think that probably did help uncover the problem in this particular field. But it did also serve as a reminder for all of us going into planting this spring that rotational restrictions for all crops need to be considered. So in this case, fomeficin, 4.5 months to wheat, but also 10 months to corn, 18 months to grain sorghum. So things like that we want you to keep on your thought process. And so when you look in the comments section of this video, there will be a link to the University of Tennessee Weed Guide. There are many resources that include this. This is one that I prefer to use. We'll give you a link to that UT Weed Guide, so you can look at have reference material for rotational restrictions for different herbicides to different crops. So thanks again for watching, and please feel free to reach out to anyone in the Pioneer team for your agronomy questions.
That concludes this Pioneer Growing Point Agronomy video podcast. Visit our page on pioneer.com and follow us on Twitter and Facebook for more agronomy insights.